Yeah, I'm vlogging. You can vlog that. We're gonna be playing Uno. We're just us 4. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's just us 4 because nobody. Everybody else is Hayden and Maeve. I don't want us to go to bed. Yeah, we're just so.
So it's the morning of comp, day 1. Yeah, it's like 4 a.m. Look, everybody's like,
We woke up at like 1.
hella tired.
We barely slept.
Exactly, yes. Anyways, yeah.
Come on, bitch.
Everyone's doing at least something. And all the other girls are over there in the kitchen.
It was me.
Yeah, I'm doing my bun. Wait, is it? Yeah, I'm doing my bun. Yay!
It's Red Bull.
I'm so tired, guys. I want to sleep.
We're all so tired. I'm done getting ready.
Oh wait, what the heck? Why is that book?
But I need to put on my shirt.
Okay. Yeah. Go. Period. Ooh, I love that.
Shit.
It's really cold. It's like 50 degrees. Okay, come on.
You want some scissors?
Oh, why is this wet? Oh! Wait, that's a lot of glitter, guys.
Okay,
Why is that like a streak?
Blend it. Guys, it's just like a bunch of glitter on the
That is so cool.
Wow.
I can feel.
Wait, put it right
Jasmine. Guys, I forgot to record. We're on the way, guys. Yeah. On 1 freestyle. Just look. Hey guys. So we're on the way to the event. Miley passed out. And our crown is too big in the car. So I have to lean my head forward. I just passed out. I can't. Oh my gosh, she's like literally sleeping. Like I have no space, guys. My head hurts or my neck hurts. I can't do this no more, guys. Oh, save me now. We're almost there though. So yeah.
Ollie, me and Chrissy's drop you your phone.
Okay.
My mom's calling.
Oh my gosh. She just woke up.
My mom's calling.
If your mom does it for you.
Oh shoot.
Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning. Oh, I was recording the whole time.
Wait, this is so cool. I thought we made it. Guys, we're here. I look bald right here. Guys, you want to see the stage? Look, I thought it'd be bigger, but it's cute.
So, like, the measurement was right.
Yeah. Say hi, Lily.
Hey.
Guys, we're in the dressing room.
Yeah, we're in the dressing room. Say hi, Missy.
Oh, because I was in the bathroom.
Guys, say hi. Hello. Say hi to
Oh my god, okay, you brought the thing and
Say hi to your mom.
hey guys.
This room, guys. Anyways, wish us luck.
Hey guys. We're in the dressing room now. We're in here with 2 of the groups. With Kat, or whatever she is. I don't know what she is. It's so hot here. Vlog, this is before like we get on, guys. Before we get on the stage. We're all looking scared. Guys, how we feeling?
I'm nervous, tired.
How we feeling? How we feeling, guys?
I'm nervous. Okay. I'm not scared, but like, if I live, I'm nervous.
We all scared.
We got.
Hey guys, this is us. 2 performances before our own. We're just like, mwah. Tell you how it goes after. Hey vlog, we're currently backstage right now, and we watched at least about a couple performances before it's our turn.
Like 8.
Like 8, and
6 or 7.
2 more are about to go. 2 more are about to go. See? And then it's our turn. I'm so excited.
So excited.
1, 2, 3, HDM! Okay, wait. After vlog, I low-key clean my makeup off because I'm so proud of us, guys. Guys, we're watching the video for like the fifth time now.
Oh, where they just want to like.
We just keep watching it.
Yeah, why are they walking like that?
State your name and who do you think is going to place? My name's Peyton, and I think Asian is going to get first. Ooh, we want to see. Say your name and who do you think is going to place? Oh, are we going all the way down? If my sword doesn't get moved. Okay, my name, do you want me to play? Who's going to place first? Okay, my name is all 3? Okay, my name is Peyton. I think the groups are going to place is Soon Sun, CK, and TK. Wait, what? Oh, who do you think is going to place? Oh, I'm Cheryl, and I think Soon Sun's TK and Chai Chai is going to place. Hey, my name is Jasmine. Wait, hold up. I think, Chai 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 Nick, Boo, and us are gonna place. Here. Well, hi guys. See your name. But, the group I watch place is Saniku, NTK, and... Hi, I am Lily, and the group I think is gonna place, or the group I want to place, is Saving Sons. They're so in sync and I love them. Say your name and the group you think would place, or the group you want to place. What? Say your name, and I say the group that you want to place, or the group that you think would place. My name is Madison. I think Serene Sons will get first place. Because they're out of state and they're really good. They're in sync. Say your name and who do you think is going to place? Place like first? Yeah. Wait, who do you want to place? Oh, yeah. Okay, take 2. My name is Allison, and I think either Vince are gonna win or Serene Sons, but I hope they get at least 3rd. Hey guys, it's Miley. So I think, it's the time and motion 2025 dance competition, and I think the 3 top places for varsity is gonna be number 1, Vinh Giao and Shia, number 2, Serene Sons, and 3, I'm gonna say, no, but in all seriousness, I think PK. But no, everybody did so good, like, I'm not even glazing. Yeah. Here you go. What do I do? So you're gonna say your name and then your top 3 people, or top 3 groups that you think are. Hi, my name's Everly, and top 3 people I think is Serene Sons, King Gang, and I don't know. I have no idea. Here you go. I think first is Serene Sons, And second is probably DK or NTK. They're both could be anyone low key. Okay. My name's Leslie. I think first is 13 Suns, second is NTK, and third, I don't know their name. I don't know who, but anyone. Yeah. Oh yeah. If you're Hmong dancers,